Class 3 Subject Computer. Book page 5. How is a present day calculator different from the Lebanese calculator? Lebanese calculator, it can add, edit, subtract, multiply and divide. Present calculator, it can perform more function, i.e. square, cube and average. Book page 6. State 3 reasons why the present day computer is better than the Mark 1. It is small. Number 2, it uses less electricity. It performs more function. Book page 8. Draw a line from the date of each invention to its name. (1642), 1694, 1940, 1946, 1951. UNIVAC Mark 1, ENIAC Lebanese Pascaline. 1642 Pascaline, 1694 Lebanese, 1940 Mark 1, 1946 ENIAC, 1951 UNIVAC.